Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm Roxanne and this is my unboxing channel. Today we're going to be doing Topbox. So, as you guys know, Topbox, or may or may not know I should say, Topbox is a Canadian subscription. It is $16 a month plus applicable taxes. It does ship for free though. There was a $10 add-on, I thought I got it, but we'll see. Because I went looking through my emails and it looks like I didn't. So anyway, this is Topbox 3. I'm going to make this video very, very quick because it's the end of the day for me and I'm exhausted. So, first item I see is Luxebox highly concentrated age-defying serum. Ooh. Okay. 5 years younger. Ooh. Okay. So there it is there. Okay, I'm not disappointed in that. Okay. Be a Bombshell Hot Mess Lip Gloss. Oh god, this is going to be horrible, isn't it? Yeah. Designed in the US. Ew. Okay, so I guess this is supposed to be like a red. Okay, I'm not going to open that up. I'm just going to put it in giveaway pile or something. Okay, so there's 2 more items in here. Okay. So the one is Artist Color Revolution Reactive Nail Lacquer. I wonder what it means by that. Okay. They look like it's, I thought it was actually Morgan Taylor. Okay, so I want to know what the reactive is on this. I've never heard of this company. It's not a bad color. I mean, I'm going to paint my nails, so let's see how this does. Put that on there. So, floss every day. Shadow in Corfu. Okay. So I'm not even going to try wearing that. I'm going to just kind of, no. Okay, so I'm not sure what this box is all about. I'm going to look up this brand because I think the only 2 items I'm going to keep. And why does it feel like I'm missing something? I thought it was supposed to be 5, but maybe I'm wrong. Okay, so Artist. Color Revolution. Okay, I found it here. What color is this? Gorgeous. There's some really nice colors on here, mind you. There it is there. Okay, so I'm just going to click on it here. This is made in the US, but it's spelled with a U, which is really odd because you would think this was a Canadian company. I mean, the people in the States don't usually spell their color or anything like that. Okay, so it says the color, but it doesn't give me a price. So this is part of their core collection. The site's really slow. I mean, it's nice. Does it give me a no? I don't know if I just can't buy it from there. So this is valued at $13.20. So this is about $15. So basically, I bought this and got all the other stuff for free, which I guess is fine. But at least let me pick my nail color. It looks like it's dry already. It is. Okay, I'm gonna give it a try. I'm really picky about what I do put on my nails. I do like it's already dry, as you guys can see. Sorry guys, there we go. I mean, that's one coat, and that's just a thin coat. So I'll give it a try. I'll put yeah, okay. So it's a 3-step self-cure system resulting in long-lasting and superior shine. Unlike regular polish, it can last up to 10 days thanks to the innovative bonder base and top coat, combining the best features of polish with the best feature of gel. I've created a fully removable hybrid nail color with no LED lights, stain protection, and 5 free formulation. Okay. Okay, so I'll give it a try. I mean, the only 2 things I really like out of this box are these 2 things. And I feel really, really... I feel like I got cheated. I'm going to look up the sleeve spot too. So let's... Sublessence. Okay, so... So she is a Canadian brand, so that's really nice to see. She is, it's a luxury skincare that is offered through Shoppers Drug Mart. And I think Sephora has some things, but I'm not 100% sure. Okay, so it's $86 for 28 mils, and this is 3 mils. So let's look that up. $86 for, what did I say, 28 mils. So this is about a $9 sample. So between these 2 items, they make up more than the cost of the box, which is really nice. Floss is a company in Quebec. Doesn't actually say where it's made. That is made in China, okay. This is made in Canada, and I would imagine that this is probably made in the States. So anyway, so the value of my box, I'm not even gonna... You win some and you lose some. Considering this is the end of the year, they could have really gone out with a bang, and they didn't. So I'm very much disappointed in my box. But I will say I am impressed with this nail polish. It is super, super shiny, and it is dry. Like, I'm going to give this a try. I'm going to go do my nails later on tonight and see how that goes. I hope you guys had a great day, and please don't forget to give this video a like and give it a share, and make sure you are subscribed.